Hey guys, Sam from Baller BBQ here, and today is Bathurst Day. If you don't know what Bathurst is, it's a huge motor race over in Australia, so a better way to feed the troops than sheet pan nachos on the Pit Boss pellet grill. So let's get into it. Alright, so here I've got an onion. I'm just going to dice it up really fine. And once I've diced that up, I'm just going to put it aside. Now I've got my baking pan or sheet pan, and I've got 500 grams of ground premium beef mince. And I'll just put that on the tray and break it up, spread it out, break up all those clumps. That's going to help the smoke really infuse into this meat, and it's going to help it cook evenly as well. And now we'll just add that onion, sprinkle it over the top. Don't have to be too fussy about it, just throw it on there. And to that, I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. And some salt to season it. And I'm also going to add a little bit of Traeger's coffee rub. This stuff's really good on beef. So I'm just going to throw it in there just for a little bit of extra flavour. Alright, so now we'll take it out to the grill. Okay, so I've got the Pit Boss pellet grill loaded up with oak pellets, and I'm going to turn it up to 150 degrees. And I'll just let it go through its starting cycle. So this takes a little while, but it is pretty cool. Like, the amount of smoke that comes out of these things is just insane. And once it's lit, that smoke dies down a little bit, and we can go ahead and put our tray of beef straight on the grill. And we'll close it up and leave that beef in the smoker at 150 for 15 minutes. Alright, so once those 15 minutes are up, we'll check on it, and that is looking really good. That beef is really brown, it's got a little bit of smoke colour, and we're just going to scrape it off the baking tray, put it into a bowl, because we're going to layer this tray with nacho chips, and then we'll put that ground beef back on top of the chips. So as you can see, it might have paid to have put down a little bit of oil on the baking tray. I thought there might have been enough fat in the beef, but obviously not. But it still turned out really good. So now I've got my nacho cheese Doritos, and I'm just going to lay them on the baking tray in a single layer. Spread it out as best as I can. And then I'm just going to throw that beef straight on top. And I've got a blend of cheese here that's mozzarella and Colby cheese. It's just a pizza blend, but it's going to be nice and stringy, lots of flavour. And I'll sprinkle that over top of the ground beef. And then I'll put it back in the Pit Boss for 5 minutes at 150. Alright, look at that. That cheese has melted really good. It's taken on a little bit of that smoky flavour. It's all stuck together. Delicious. So now we'll take it inside and we'll add the other ingredients. So here I've got a tomato diced up, sprinkle that over the top. I've got a capsicum, I'll just sprinkle that on as well. Some avocado. Just have to pull that apart a bit. Just kind of sticks together. Spread it out evenly. Man, this is already looking really good. And I've got some jalapenos, which I'll just put on half, because some people like spice, some don't. So I'll just do that on that half. And to put a little bit of moisture and flavour in there, I've just got some sour cream. I'll just dollop that over the top. And I cannot wait to share this. It's going to be so good. There's nothing better than sitting down to a day of motor racing or a game of rugby with a big plate of nachos. Awesome. Okay, so those nachos are going to go down a treat today. Super easy to make, and that ground beef really gets a lot of that smoky flavor. So they're going to be awesome. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you again next time.